Hi there! Welcome po ulit sa aking channel. Sorry po, ngayon na lang po ulit ako nakapag-upload ng educational video because of deteriorating health condition. Hindi na po maganda ang kalagayan ng kalusugan ko and I am no longer capable of uploading videos just like before. Doon po sa mga nagtatanong kung bakit iba na ang pangalan at mga video yung lumalabas sa channel na to, ay ito po ang sagot. I have decided to turn over the management of this channel to my son, the creator of Mind TV, because I am no longer physically capable of creating and uploading educational videos. Hindi na po maganda ang kalagayan ng aking kalusugan. So, I told my son to manage this channel. Mag-upload pa rin po ako ng video kung kaya ko pa. Depende po sa kalagayan ng aking kalusugan. Again, para po sa aking mga subscribers, sorry po. I have failed your expectations. Now, so much for that. My topic in this video is about the proper use of bring and take. Dito po madalas na narilito ang ating mga estudyante. Like this example, dalhin mo ito sa opisina ng principal. Hindi ba rito ang tama? You bring this paper to the principal's office or you take this paper to the principal's office. Alright. To answer that question, let us analyze first the definition of bring. According to our dictionary, bring means to carry an object from a distant place to a nearer location or to the speaker. Sa Tagalog, dalhin o magdala ng isang bagay papalapit sa nagsasalita. Like this one, bring those books here. Ang action ay mula sa malayo papalapit sa speaker. Again, pag bring ay papalapit. Okay. Sa take naman, take means to carry from the speaker or from a near place to the listener or to a distant place. Sa Tagalog, dalhin o magdala ng isang bagay papalayo. Like this one, take these books there. Ang action ay mula rito sa speaker, papalayo. Okay. So, sa ating unang question, alin ba rito ang tamang sagot? You bring this paper to the principal's office or you take this paper to the principal's office? The correct answer is take. Kasi, ang action ay papalayo, papunta sa principal's office. Now, let us always remember, pag bring, palagi natin tatandaan yung word na here. Ibig sabihin, magdala, papalapit. Pag take naman, tandaan natin yung word na there. O magdala, papalayo. Just like when you are ordering something from Jollibee or McDonald's, kung gusto mong dalhin papalabas, sinasabi natin na take out. Pag sa loob naman, dine in. So, katulad dito, bring dapat ay here o magdala papalapit. Pag take naman ay out o kaya there o magdala papalayo para hindi tayo magkamali. Pag take, remember lang yung tandaan natin yung word na out. Take out sa Jollibee o kaya sa McDonald's. And then, pag bring, katulad dito ng dine in o bring here. Take out, take there. Okay. Now, in this example, it is so cold here. We should have brought or taken extra coat with us. Here, the correct answer is brought. Kasi, ang keyword dito ay itong with us. May nakalagay na with us, so ang dapat ay brought. Okay, based from the root word bring. Next, you are not allowed to bring or take any book out of the library. Ang keyword natin dito ay itong out. So, papalabas siya. So, the correct answer is take. Okay, ito ang tamang answer, take. Now, we're going to have a quiz here, only 1 to 5. Let us try if you have learned something. We're going to pause this video for a while, and then afterward, we are going to check your answer if you have learned something in this video. Okay, we start answering now. Number 1, it is raining. Have you brought or taken a raincoat with you? Number 2, come here and bring or take this coffee to your father. Number 3, old folks believe sweeping at night brings or takes bad luck. Number 4, the patient is not here. He must have been brought or taken to another hospital. Number 5, the robbers in the mall were brought or taken to the police station for interrogation. Alright, let us now check your answer. For number 1, it is raining. Have you brought a raincoat with you? The correct answer is brought. Number 2, come here and take this coffee to your father. Papalayo ito, kaya the correct answer is take. So number 1 ay papalapit. And then number 3, old folks believe sweeping at night. Okay. The correct answer is brings, kasi papalapit. Number 4, the patient is not here. He must have been brought or taken to another hospital. The correct answer is taken. And number 5, the robbers in the mall were taken to the police station for interrogation. The correct answer is taken kasi papalayo ang action. Alright? If you have learned something on this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell in order to be updated, and of course, please share also. Thank you very much for watching. See you again. By the way, I'd like to use the opportunity to extend my gratitude again. Maraming salamat po sa aking mga subscribers, yung mga nag-subscribe sa akin noong panahon na nag-viral ang aking channel. Maraming salamat po. Yung nag-post sa Facebook, ang aking estudyante, maraming salamat sa iyo. At sa lahat po ng mga nag-subscribe sa akin, yung mga nanood na aking mga video, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At asahan po ninyo, hanggang pag kaya ng aking kalusugan, ay mag-upload pa rin po ako ng video para makatulong sa maraming mga estudyante. Maraming salamat po, and God bless.